Friday marks the 10th anniversary of the establishment of China's first pilot free trade zone in Shanghai's Pudong New Area. According to a white paper released last week, the Shanghai FTZ has attracted 84,000 new enterprises by the end of last year, 2.35 times the number of enterprises established in the 20 years before its establishment.
上海自贸区呢，对渣打呢是意义非凡。那么集团呢，把中国作为一个最具战略性的、最重要的一个市场。自贸区的推出，尤其它注重这个人民币国际化和跨境这个资本和经商项目的便利性呢，使得外资银行呢有了比较好的比较优势。我们可以利用我们在国际上的网络客户的基础，尽快的把这些国外的这些经验呢引进到中国。
未来我们希望借着现在目前中国这个改革开放的这个东风，希望把我们的产业能够把它做大做强。那么现在我们的17的这个规划是30万台的产能规模，我们希望在明年后年能够在这个自贸区内能够自建厂房，然后能够把我们的产能规模2期的产能规模做到100万台这样的水平上。
Today, China has 21 FTZs plus the Hainan Free Trade Port, which act as testing beds for China to advance reform and opening up. From these FTZs, more than 300 institutional innovations were formulated and later replicated and promoted nationwide. About half were born or first carried out in Shanghai. In 2022, the 21 FTZs saw exports and imports rise 14.5% year-on-year to 7.5 trillion yuan, accounting for 17.8% of the country's total. The utilized foreign investment in FTZs exceeded 220 billion yuan, making up 18.1% of the total.